So I'm going to quit my job and do Amazon influencer full time, and we're going to find a winning product to invest in less than 5 minutes if we can. And I had a great question in the comments about the product view discussion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to all, and let's go to best sellers in trending, and we're just going to scroll a little bit. It's taking a second to load. That's okay. All right, so bestsellers and trending. So we're going to click over here on this right, the V, the red and bluish, the V over here on the right side of the screen. Okay, so it took a second to load a little bit more, but we're good. You click on that, and that actually is what opens up the viral view product view little dashboard thing here. So the bariatric advantage, the best extra large pet training, that actually is doing really well for me. I'm actually sold quite a few of these, and my dog is using them quite a bit. Deer repellent outdoor rabbit. So here's a new product that's in the best selling. It's probably just focused for me. If I look at this, yeah, the break even is 405 days. That ain't gonna do it. But I do have some problems with rabbits. So rabbits repellent outdoor. I want to try to find something that can repel rabbits. The problem is it also will distract my dog quite a bit. There's all kinds of things like the deer and rabbit pellets, the spray, the stakes that you can put in the ground. And we're just going to scroll to the bottom of the first page. Let's scroll to the bottom of the first page. And there we go. So then again, over here on the right side, you can see that little red V, the red view. It's like pinkish, I guess, pinkish, purplish blue right there. That's going to open up product view. Great. So I got a bunch of products here, and let's act like I don't have a dog to worry about. And also, let's focus on creator connections, specific campaigns. So again, sometimes Amazon is plugging in things that I've looked at previously. Also at the bottom, whenever you scroll to the bottom of the product page, it suggests to you like buy it again, or, recommended based on your browsing history. That kind of stuff will sneak in there. So that's why some of those items are in there, even though it's not specifically what we're looking for. Dog is in the floor begging for food. So here, let's sort by viral score. Let's take a look at this Plant Sky DD animal repellent. So this product it's a break even in 55 days. This one is a break even in 56 days. Nature's Mace, rabbit granules, it's not good there. I don't really want to do any kind of chemical anything. If I'm being honest with you, I would rather have some kind of, I'm not sure what I'm really looking for in the world of rabbit repellents, but we got rabbits. We got a lot of rabbits in our backyard. I just want to keep them away. And I know that there's a lot of like holistic, ways to prevent rabbits from getting there. So I have got nothing on page 2. Okay, there we go. It just took a second. So there's a couple of more here. Let's go to the bottom here. Let's see. Liquid fence, deer, and rabbits. Okay, not that one. How about this one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one, 148 days, 305 days, 405 days, 106 days, 56 days. Like this, none of these are really 106 days. None of these are really what I'm looking for as far as a winning Amazon product, but that's where it's at. It's over there on the right side. I'm not going to give up, though. I am not going to give up. Let's think about this trip that we've got going on. So we're about to go on this road trip to help the kid move. Let's see, road trip essentials. Let's search for this. Okay, close that off. And let's just scroll down a little bit. Scroll down to the end of the first page. A lot of variety of stuff here. Okay, perfect. Okay, all the way to the bottom to scrape all the data. Let's open up viral view. Travel size bed buck. What is this? That's 39 days isn't bad. 339 days is terrible. 245 days is terrible. 34 days isn't so bad. Let's see, essential elements. What is this? Travel size, bed bug, and dust mite insect. Okay, so this would be travel size, bed bug, insect repellent. This would be for like, I guess if you're staying at a hotel and you want to, we're staying with friends and family, so this probably wouldn't be that good of an idea. But my filters are 300 30-day sales, 10,000 30-day revenue, at least one influencer video, and a maximum of 9 influencer videos. And I scrape all this data using Viral View, which if you are interested in giving Viral View a try, there is a 10% off promo code in the description box down below on the service. I do get a commission. It is an affiliate link, right? So just a heads up there. And let's just try page 2 and see if we can find anything. You know, sometimes we can't find anything in 5 minutes, and sometimes we can. You know, I like searching for, you know, a variety of stuff. Okay, so cruise essentials. I mean, we're not going on a cruise, but that's got a lot of creator connections. Yeah, I mean, this could be a winning item for sure. Cruise Essentials 2026 dual Type-C 4-in 2 multi-charging cable for iPhone, watch charger, iPhone. So this is pretty serious. Actually, this is a pretty serious find. It's got 233 daily sales, 5 influencer videos, and an average length of 57 seconds. So that's pretty good. The Creator Connections campaign, the commissions on it is... Well, there's a variety of campaigns that are active right now. So the cool thing about Viral View is that you can actually opt into all of these campaigns. Every single one of these campaigns you can opt into, right? Some of them end at different times, different days left, different amount of budgets left. You can opt into all of them and assign your video to all of them, right? You don't have to do just one of these. And if I get a 10.3% commission, let's go to that calculator here. Boom. And 10.31, right? So my profit is $75 a month, and I'll recoup my investment on this item in 9 days. So we are unfortunately a little over 5 minutes, but I think that's a pretty good. I think this isn't a bad buy right here. I'm gonna order this today. $10 investment, $9.48. There's room on the product carousel. Where did it go? There's room on the video product carousel. Let's mute this. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 influencer videos, so there's room for my video if it gets on there. And the sales are good, 7,000 bought in a month. There's a lot of variety, so you can like tag the parent ASIN and all of that. It's a little advanced for this video, but yeah, this is a big win. This is a big win. I'm ordering this now, and we will have it. I'll have it later today. We'll have it later today. There you go. Hope I answered your question. Let me know if you have any more. Good luck out there, guys. Let's quit our jobs.